Ice cream lovers, very exciting session of Scoop School today. We're having a Scoop School field trip and we're at the front of our brand new Scoop School facility in Wildwood, Missouri. We're just about 10-12 minutes down the road from our old facility, but we wanted to give you a quick tour before we start doing all of our build out and so forth, just to show you, I guess, what it looks like in the raw. So you can kind of see what it's like when we're up and running. Now, we've just signed the lease literally a couple of days ago, so we really haven't done anything in here. But just want to give you, I don't know, sneak peek, if you will. This is our lobby, so when you come to Scoop School, you'll be greeted in this beautiful big lobby. We'll have a seating area here. Our Chief Admin Officer and Media Producer, Madeline, will actually have her desk over here. She'll greet you when you come to Scoop School. Interesting thing about this wall here, so the previous owner, her dad had a barn and they basically reclaimed all of this barn wood and put it up on the wall. And when she said, I was talking to her yesterday and she said, "Oh, are you going to keep the barn wall?" Absolutely, we're going to keep the barn wall. I can see a nice big Scoop School sign up there. And another thing we're going to do here, which I think is pretty cool that we couldn't do in our old facility, we're actually going to have our wall of fame up here. So we're going to keep all the logos of all of the graduates of Scoop School, all of the people that we've helped with training, education, classes. We're going to put them on the wall. So you too could have your business logo on the wall. The Christmas lights will come down. Not a big fan of the purple ceiling either. But unfortunately, it's so well painted that going through the process of turning it black or grey or whatever might be a bit of a pain in the backside. This will be the self-appointed headmaster's office. A nice little spacious office, a couple of windows. Look, I think fitting for a self-appointed headmaster. We will have the strap and the cane in there, like used to happen when I went to Catholic boys' school. For those who aren't very good in class, there's great functionality here. That's what we love about this space. Previously, for those of you watching who had been to Scoop School, we had about 1,200 square feet of kind of warehouse production space and then our offices down the other end. Here we can spread out a lot more. Again, about 4,600 square feet is what we've got here. This particular room here, while this kind of annex here will have some storage in here, we've got the air conditioning unit and so forth in here. We'll go into the classroom first, because big plans for the classroom here. It's quite a large room. And our goal would be to have a big screen TV on that wall, a couple of whiteboards, a lot of illustrations around some of the points that we talk about in the theory process in class. We can kind of refer to the illustrations on the walls, but we'll also again have a lot of multimedia applications on the front wall here. Okay, that's the training room. Now this room, I don't know whether you're aware, but at Scoop School here, we actually run a number of other businesses, ice cream product businesses. One of them is Waffle Cone Zone, a flavor extract that goes well in bakery products. So we have Waffle Cone Zone and we also do Poffertjes or tinypancakes.com. Madeline will link those other businesses down below, but this will be an inventory room, production room. We are actually going to put a full screen backdrop here. Some of the videos that we do are just kind of me or someone standing in front of a backdrop. So we'll have a dedicated filming and inventory room, which is pretty good, packing room, postage room. Now, this is the big one. You ready for this? This is what we're most excited about. So yes, we do the theory and the greeting and all of that product stuff here, but through here, we are going to have a dedicated ice cream shop. Now, it was a coffee shop before, so we've got a little bit of build out to do. Again, don't mind the work here. We literally took over this space 2 or 3 days ago. Our electrician is already in here. So you can kind of see over here, we're kind of doing some counter work here. We run a lot more equipment than most ice cream shops. So we're bringing in 3-phase, single-phase lines. We'll have a whole bank of equipment over here. Our dipping cabinet will go right in the middle of this counter here, and that counter is actually going to go over perpendicular towards the wall. Entryway will be through here, so it'll be a separate entryway that people regular customers can come in this way, but for a class standpoint, we can kind of access it from the back. That is the be all and end all. We're pretty excited about it. Multi-use building. First class in the new building is actually going to be the 9th of August this year. And then we've got dates all throughout. So the store in and of itself will probably be built out within the next probably 2 or 3 months, but we will be able to make a whole bunch of ice cream. The store will be kind of decked out for instruction use come 9th of August. Check out the website, scoopschool.com. We're actually going to post a lot more video of us kind of turning this place over and changing it from what it is now into the Scoop School facility and ice cream shop yet to be named. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for those who have always supported the Scoop School program. All of our vendors, go to scoopschool.com, look at the suppliers tab, and if you want more information about Scoop School, well, go to the same place, scoopschool.com. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.